ahead and get into this wig. So this wig is Miss Shanice. This is the Outre wig. It is their 13 by what's it 6 lace frontal wig. This wig does come pre-plucked. It does come with baby hair, so you do not have to pluck this wig if you do not want to. So the texture is going to be a yaki texture. The texture is very soft, so it is like a nice silky yaki kind of texture. Is very silky. It feels very nice. The only time I got tangling was when I was actually plucking the wig. Like I said, this wig is pre-plucked, but I like to pluck my wigs, so I did go ahead and pluck this wig, and I did go ahead and add baby hairs to this unit, which you do not have to do. So the lace is a little bit slightly darker than my skin tone, so I did apply my foundation and did make it lighter. So you do want to use a foundation that is lighter than you, like a very smidget. I did use this shade right here, which is Warm Sun. I think this one is probably a couple shades lighter, but I used my foundation, then I put it on top so it didn't look bad. And then I did go in with some concealer. This one is the concealer that actually my shade, and it made it look very even on my skin. So that was the only thing I didn't like about this wig, was the lace is a little bit too dark. So if you are my skin tone, you are gonna have to kind of lighten it up. Like I said, if you use like a light foundation, like one that is one shade lighter than you should be able to go ahead and lighten it up. If you do not, you can, like I said, use your foundation, and then you can apply a lighter one on top that's probably a couple shades lighter than you, because that's what I did with this one, because this one is way lighter. This one is like my mom's skin tone. So yeah, the hair is very fire. It looks like natural blown out yaki hair, like human hair vibes. Like, this hair is very pretty. I freaking love it. So it's going to be big head friendly. It does come with a what is it called, the strap that you, oh my god girl, what am I trying to say, the, not the elastic, it was the elastic strap, adjustable strap. That's what I'm talking about. It does come with that as well. You can't, I don't think it's adjustable. It's not adjustable, but it does come with the strap to kind of hold the wig down in place. I usually like to glue my wig, so I'm not sure if it's glueless. Is it glueless? It might be glueless, but I like to glue my wigs down, so I can't tell if it's glueless or not. So it does come with the strap if you do want to use that. And then of course this wig is going to come from ear to ear, and it's going to be big head friendly. So this is a nice wig, especially when winter times come. It's summertime right now, but I want to wear this wig because it looks so freaking gorgeous and it looks very natural. It does look like you got an expensive unit, like you ordered an expensive unit, which is very pretty. There's no shine to this wig whatsoever, and the texture is so pretty. The only thing I would say is, if you are going to straighten this wig, this one I got from Outre. It is the Infinity Pro by Conair. This one does go up to 450 degrees. I would say I put mine on 5 because I did have it on 10 at first, and it was kind of making the hair straight. When you are applying heat to these wigs, you will take that texture out, and it'll kind of go straight, almost like stringy. So be careful whenever you are applying heat to this unit. But yeah, that was what I did to this wig. This wig is super bomb, super gorgeous. I will leave the links down below on where you can purchase this unit at. So if you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments that I did not answer, because I'm trying to hurry up because I have to go. So if I did not answer any questions or comments that you may have, leave those down below. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel if I didn't say that already. Now we'll see you guys on my next video.